Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to find your watch later list on YouTube. So if you have saved some videos to your watch later list or playlist and you're having some issues onto finding them, then you're onto the right guide. So the first thing that you need to do first is to go ahead and log in onto your YouTube account. So as you can see, I'm currently onto YouTube's dashboard already. Now, if you don't know yet on how to save a video onto your watch later list, you just go ahead and choose a video in here, click onto the three dots in here, and there is an option to go ahead and save this to your watch later. So right after that, to go ahead and find those videos, just head here onto the left side corner of the screen and click onto the three horizontal lines to open these panels. So you should be able to find it in here, the watch later list. So click onto watch later in here, and there you should be able to see the videos that you have added onto your watch later. So as you can see, we have this one already in here. There should be an option for you to play them all, download them. Also, you could remove the videos that you have watched already, add more videos in here. And there is also three dots here onto the right side of each videos to go ahead and remove them to the watch later list. And that is just basically it, how to find your watch later list on YouTube. And if you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.